Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So today is a kind of Boxing Day origami, I guess. So past 2 days I've given you guys two very simple origami video. I thought today I'll make something slightly more interesting slash, I mean not very complex, but something different, and it's probably nothing Boxing Day related, but it's kind of like winter related. So as you can tell, we're today making Frosty the Snowman, and it's a really cute origami. And starting with a square origami paper like usual, I'm using blue today, but you can use whatever you want. So first we're going to fold this in half into something called a shawl base. That's the proper name what it's called, or a triangle base. And yep, once we've folded that in half, we're going to turn this upside down actually. We're going to fold this to the top and trying to get it to the center as much as possible. This is about center, so it doesn't have to be exactly perfect, but so yeah, so now that we folded it up, we're going to then fold this down to the bottom here, and again trying to get it as center as possible, and then we're just gonna unfold the whole thing after we've done that. So yep, folding it with the white side up, we're then going to fold either side towards the center. So what I mean is that the crease here is going to be folded to the center here, so like this. Probably easier if you just like fold it down like this, trying to match this with that will probably make your life easier. And yeah, folding it like that, whoops, try not to bend your paper, and folding that back down, and then doing the same with the other side, which should be easier because they should like match on either side when you fold it down, to make sure that it's right on the center. And then same, you're just gonna fold that back out so we can see the other flap. And when you fold it out, by the way, these lines, the creases here, the smaller ones, should match up with either side here, but that's not going to matter because we're going to then fold these two corners on the creases what we made previously towards the center, like so. So now we have kind of a diamond pattern here. This is actually kind of cute, you could use it as a bookmark, but that's not what we're making today. And then afterwards we're going to fold from here behind our model like so, and press that down. And then afterwards actually we're going to flip the model to the back, and we're going to fold this back up slightly, so like, is that a centimeter? Like probably like half a centimeter up. As you can tell, we're going to fold this back up like so, and then we're going to fold, okay, this point at the top down, and this will be the head of Frosty, by the way, this part what we're doing here. Yep, so like that. I'm just like readjusting bits, so like it's obviously not going to be perfect, it's up to you how exactly you want to fold it. And then afterwards, either of these sides we're going to fold slightly to the center like we did with this fold. It's not really any precise measurements, but like I guess you guys can kind of gauge how much to fold by like viewing me folding it. Like so. Just gonna fold it up. Don't fold it too far up because we don't want the snowman to have a ridiculously skinny face. I mean, it's up to you how you want to design your snowman, but I want it to look like so. Just fold the sides here, and then afterwards we're going to actually fold the bottom up, and the bottom is simply going to make kind of a little stand for it. So folding that up, and like I said, none of this is exactly like perfect how to do it. It's really up to you what you want to do, and then kind of like folding that back out, but keeping this folded. We're going to stand it, and yeah, it kind of stands. Obviously it's a weird angle like this, but you can tell it stands. Yay, that's great. And like obviously the front looks like this, which looks kind of bland right now. So what we're gonna do is I mean, you should probably grab pens, but I've got some highlighters, that's what they're called, and simply just going to draw a little face on. So like obviously you can decorate it however you want. Oh. Okay, so that was uneven, but like I said, however you want to decorate it. This doesn't have, there's like no perfect way of actually doing this. It's just about having fun, being creative, do whatever you like to it. So yeah, here's our little snowman, and yeah, that's it. So this is a really cute, easy origami to make, and as usual I've made like a test one, so that's actually slightly lighter blue. I thought it was like very like off camera, my lighting's really bad. But yeah, so here's two really cute snowmans, and obviously they stand, so you can like just put them in your room as decoration, or like I said, you could actually use this as a really cute bookmark, like if you just flatten this out. So you can do whatever you want with them. But here's a cute little Boxing Day origami for if you just simply have nothing to do today because it's so busy outside and it's cold as well. Well, actually depends where you are, but it is kind of cold in the UK right now, and it's nice to like spend time with family on Boxing Day when there's nothing really much else to do. So yeah, thanks for watching guys, and stay tuned for more awesome videos. Bye!